Hi, my name is Stuart and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. I do tutorials for Photoshop and Lightroom. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how to go around and do a stroke around our subject. So first thing we're going to do is to duplicate this layer. You can either go in and duplicate it this way, or just go down and just go into the plus sign where it says create a new layer. So there's several ways that we can make a selection of our subject. We can either go in and make a quick selection. We can use the object select tool, or we can go into the properties and do a selection that way. If you don't see this up here, you can go to Windows and then go down to properties here, and that'll open up this dialog box. We can either in the quick action box, we can either go remove, select a subject, and there's more quick actions we have down here. Colorize all photos, select sky, add lens flare. If there's anything that you would like to see or for me to cover in this discovery part, please drop a comment down below and I will get on and do that for you all. Now just let me close this and go back to our subject. Right, so I'll use the quick selection. As you say, it has made a fairly good job of it, except for this little like couple of rabbit ears here. We just go in and just quickly select that. If it goes over, what we can do, we can go to on the Alt option, hit the minus sign. We can just go in and just clean it up a little bit. There you go, this makes a good job of it. Make sure that you've got everything selected. Really good, okay. So now we need to go into select and mask. We can just smooth down our lines a little bit. Go down to output selection and we're just going to go new layer and hit OK. And then we have our cutout. So next thing that I want to do is just to make a new layer. Bring that down here and go to the fill. Pick any color that you want for your background and just go keep the same as before. And there is our background. Go back to our subject that's been cut out. So what we can do here, we can go up to FX and we can go to stroke. And then pick your color that you want and just go pick white. And we can increase the size of our stroke or decrease our size. And go keep it about 30. Right, at the moment we have it at outside. Make sure it's that. If you want to have it inside your subject, as you see, it kind of cuts up our subject off a little bit, and also center. But it's best always to have it on the outside. Like I said, we can pick our color, whatever color we want. We can also do multiple strokes as well by hitting the plus arrow and make sure that it's highlighted, because if you have it on this one, it's just going to increase the size. So if you have it on the second one that you just created, again you can go in and change your color and go for a blue And then we need to increase the size again until you get to what you want. Again, we can have, as you see there, we have the original stroke and then our secondary stroke around it here. And if you wanted another one, again, just go to the plus. Make sure that you highlight the stroke, the layer that you want. I don't know if it's a layer or a stroke. And then also change your color. You can go for a nice red. Go down here, go for red. And again, you can increase your size as well. So you can do that with multiple strokes like this. And then if you want to cancel any of them, highlight it and just then hit the bin. Again, hit the bin. So we just got our one. You can also do this with text as well. I'll show you how to do it with text. Highlight it. Bring our text in a bit. And just go with it, how to add line photo in Photoshop. Just bring it across here. Double click on your text. And change what you want. And change the size. Let's go that a bit too small. Let's go 60. Do that. There you go. Again, go into effects. Go up to stroke. Pick black, and then you can have whatever size you want around it. It's a nice one. And again, you can keep on, hit the plus sign, make sure that you're on the next stroke, and you can change the color. And then just increase the size that you want. So you can make a nice pattern out of your text. Okay, I think that's about it for now. Again, thank you for watching. This is a nice little short tutorial. If there's anything that you see that you'd like me to cover in these functions that are in Photoshop, please let me know down below in the comments, and I'll get to them and I'll make a new video to cover that. So again, please subscribe to this channel. Please hit that notification bell to remind you when the next video is coming up, and also leave any comments. They all help me get these videos out to new viewers, and I hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Thank you. Goodbye.